Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt Bills and happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to be continuing on with the Apache helicopter. I've not been to Betty today. I didn't feel up to going, so I thought I'll come and do this instead. So I'm started on pack 12 and it is stage 93. So we've got some interesting parts which I'll show you shortly, but we do finish off the base finally, get that done. So with that said, let's make a start. Okay, this is what we've got. Part of the base, brackets, ladders, steps here, EM screws, RP screws, and I found CP screws for the holders for the missile launchers to go on. So I've just found them. So what we need to do first is this, the ladders, well the step ladders. So I'm going to need super glue. Actually, this is the glue that Peter gave me on a brush, which is handy. So thank you, Peter, this is the first time using it. Right, so the first thing we need to do, simply out of the way, rip that off because it won't come off on its own. I've got to keep that one separate because that goes at the top. So we need to glue this in first. That'll be, it's D-shaped, half moon shaped, that'll be going on there, so it definitely needs gluing. And put it in here like that, and then the next thing we need to get is this here, making sure the yellow lines are facing going down the stairs. So that goes at the top. So that one there like that, and then what we do is put this on here, make sure the yellow stripe lines are going in the same spot. So they're not going to be level yet until I get the other side on. Then I'll check these out once I've got that other side on. So all I've got to do now is just put some glue on here. And glue on this, like so. Then we get this part, put that in there, and start fixing all this together, hopefully. Right, would I put on my tweezers? And they've all come out again. I think with these stairs, so we'll just let that stick. It's a shame this is not metal. Got to make sure they're straight. So I'll just lay that flat, just put it over there to one side, let the glue take. Okie dokie. Now the next thing we need to do, move this out of the way, these screws. Actually I'll put the screws here. Move them, because you know what's next? We're bringing up the base from the look of it. Yes. Bring the base up now, because it's all in the base. The final section to go on. Here we go. I'm just wondering if I might change cameras, but from the look of it I don't think I do. Okay, shattered now. So this will be going on here, like so. Bring that in like that, and then we'll get the EM screws attached. I'll just get this big, I'll get this screwdriver with it being magnetic and get this into place, because I'll be using my big screwdriver to secure it all. this one. Let me go in there. Get in this one first because it looks a bit awkward. It still is awkward. For some reason it's not going in. Why is that coming away like that? Got a right gap here. Try that again. It's gone in straight. That's going perfectly like that. And these are offset. And that one isn't. I think I might have put one of these on the wrong way. No? It's fine. Because that's something's not set right. Try again. It's fine now. Going okay. Okay, that's on. Finally. Let me get this. Which will be going in the corner. So there's a right gap here, and why I have no idea. So I might have to undo these two screws if I can bring it in. No. No, still a gap there, but not as bad as it was. But all the other three corners are fine. It's just that one. Okay. Turn that heater off. Now we need these two brackets. And I need two RP screws. Which will be going in there. Like that. And this will be going here. So we need another two RP screws. Just secure that in place. And you get no spares with this. With this one. And then EM screw into here. Excuse me a minute, I've just my phone's ringing. Okay, sorry about that guys. You can't see this really, can you? What I'll do, I'll change cameras and so you can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, I've come on this one now, this camera right here, so you can see what I'm doing. I thought you could see on the other one, sorry about that. So I'm going to put this screw in here. Excuse me arm for a moment. And then tighten it up with this. So that's that one done. Now we need this bracket, which will be going here. I'll get this on here. And turn it up. Like that. So that's that done. And we've got a spare screw. Make sure all the screws are in. Everything is in. From the look of it, yeah. Right. Put that there. And I'll just put this on the floor. Okay guys, I've had to bring the helicopter over because we're attaching these two to the underwing on the right side, and this is a part I'm dreading, is turning it upside down. Not looking forward to this one bit. I just have to be careful of everything. I have to turn it round that way. Well, something fell over and I don't know what it was. So these here, let's get back to the instructions. These two here I hope this is the right way. Will be going on here. Got on there like that. Yep, that's right. And that will be going on this one. Like that. And they will be held in with 2 each CP screws. And they're only small screws. Not sure it is right. Yeah, it looks right. Make sure in the right order. Yeah, 1 on the outside and number 2 on the inside. Yep, it's right. Because with it being upside down, it's on the right. Yeah, it's correct. And they don't seem to be going in. They are the right screws, CP screws. Let's try this hole here. No, I'm not working on that. I don't think it says CP on the instructions, and yet they don't seem to be going in. Let's try it on this side. No, this side. Nope. not going in. Right, so you're going to have to bear with me a minute, guys. I might have to find some different screws for this. I've got a funny feeling it could be different ones. Just bear with me a minute. Alright guys, what I've had to use in place of the CP screws is DM screws. Because the CP screws are not going in. For some unknown reason. So I'll get this one in the middle because I need to find another DM screw. Oh, so that is on there. Can't understand why they give us CP screws when they're not working. Right, so now then. Next thing I need to do is get the other two to go on the other side, but that can go on in a bit, but I need to find the other two. Okay guys, I found them eventually. It took a while. They'll be going on here. I found some more DM screws. Seems to be going alright. But it's just strange though. I'll just try CP screw again. But CP screws should go in. But if not, I'll put the others in. Nope, not going in at all. Right, I'm going to do this, and I've accidentally knocked the rotor off at the back. So I'll get that back on in a bit. Right, that's in. So that's them two on. And that side. This is why I do not like turning the helicopter over upside down. Right. Now I've got to see if I can get this rotor back on. That on there. Right, just bear with me a minute. Okay guys, I've had to change camera. Got this piece here, and I've had to turn the helicopter on its side this time. There's no way I'm turning it upside down because things are starting to fall off. Luckily we don't have to glue this on. This is just to cover the screw holes here. So I'll get this on if it'll fit, which I'm hoping it should. Yeah, that's gone on nicely. That from the back. Right, that's gone on. But it's not gone on proper because at the back here
going in, and yet it's on, kind of. Nice. Something stopping it from going on. It's these pins at the back. Tell you what, this is fighting me all the way. Let's get the screwdriver in there and gently pull it out. Right. So again, I'm going to have to sand these pins, and I don't know why these pins won't go in. Just try that. Get this in first. That's better. Now it's gone in. There we are. Perfect. I do get them in the end. Wow. Oh.
And that is stage 93 completed. Okay guys, stage 94. Now we get to the circuit board, this part here, the circuit board will probably go on in this section here, I don't know what that is, and 3 of these. So we'll be needing to move this out the way. Move these out the way, could be bringing the base up again. These are the screws for it. Move that over here and move them, and then we'll just bring the base up. Here. Now where this is here and this, I need to figure out whereabouts this goes. Let's see, so that facing like that, so it should go here. There to judge. I've got a nasty feeling I might have done this black part wrong. Well, there again I haven't. That's good. But I want to make sure it's in the right spot, which it isn't. So, right, just bear with me a minute guys while I see where this properly goes. Right guys, I think it goes there. It took me all this time to fathom it out, and also I had to redo all this because the pattern was wrong. Luckily I didn't have to take the wood apart, just to take the panels out, and now I can get this in as it should be. Now why didn't I notice that? I'd never know. So this is going to be held in with WP screws. I think it's in the right spot there because I'm just looking at it from here where the switch is up here, unless I could still be wrong. So well, there's this. Unless it needs to move further over that way from the look of it. So she's counting the holes. It's very hard to judge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, it could be 7. I think it is there. So these instructions are not very clear at all. I mean, I don't want to put it in the wrong place. Unless it goes there. 1, 2, 3. So it does go here. Yep, it does go there. Well, anyway, it's going to be held in with WP screws. I've wasted enough time looking for the spot. So, you put it wrong end. Bolts in this end here, like that. Put it there. On there. And I think Peter's going to need a bigger shed. That there. Seems to be beveled over here. Right, gone in. Do an extra turn. Right, so that's that in there. Right, the next thing we need is the circuit board. Now, which way is this facing? Not there.
think it's facing that way. I hope. I think that's right. Yep, that's right, and that's going to be held in with DP screws. Wherever the hell they are. Here we are. DP screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And well, I'll get all of them because I'll be probably using them in a minute. I'll put one in the centre. Either side. Actually, there's only one way this could face anyway, because they're offset. And let's come in here. Now then, oh, that just reaches. So that's X plug. Right, now the next thing we need is this. Goes like that. Now we attach the plug. This is good. Into here. Like that. That's the plug installed. And this will be held down with DP screws as well. I'll get these in. I've just got the right amount of screws out. Put that down there. That just reaches, to be honest with you. Okay, let's see what's next. Plugs in, plugs in, plug in, plug in. Just double check everything, make sure everything is fine. The instructions. And the only thing we don't use is them silver things that we got. We don't use them, which I'm surprised about. So that is stage 94 completed. Well guys,
what a performance. Undoing the black base inside and then putting the pattern right. I didn't realise, I should have looked at instructions more carefully, but maybe I didn't. But it's all done now, it's all together. Still got that gap at the back there, but that's how she's looking. All inside. There, the lifter, circuit boards. I don't know where that black cable's going for the speaker. I haven't a clue. Unless we've got another circuit board. Oh, that's where it goes. S. Yeah, it goes in this here, but it's not telling us to put it in. So I think it might have to go through there. But then again though, I wouldn't advise that. But it's not telling us to put it on, so at least I know where it goes. Because I don't like putting wires through there where it can touch the circuit board itself. I'd rather come round, so just as well this is long enough. So it won't be long now before I start putting everything on. The base on top of here, and then put the other. I just hope I put this facing the right way, to be honest with you. I think I have, but we'll soon find out when we put the Apache on. So I think it'll be facing this way. This will be the nose area, this end, and the tail end this side. So that's not too bad. It is on the right way. I'm just glad I've got everything sorted on this. So I've still got to do the decals yet on some of the missiles and boxes and missile holders. That shouldn't take me long, to be honest with you. As soon as this build's finished, I mean, I'll be putting the decals on the helicopter anyway. Says Peter doing it. I just hope I can get it in the car. I really do. I'll get the base in, but what I might have to do is might have to take the rotors off the Apache itself so they don't get damaged. So if they're screwed on, it's not too bad. I can just undo the screw and take them off and then put them back on when it gets back to Peter's. It's not far off now, this. Anyway guys, I'm going to get off. Time's getting on now. 2 o'clock. I've been here 4 hours doing this, even though it's not 4 hours long, but I have been in here 4 hours. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to that notification bell for future videos. So until tomorrow guys, you all stay safe, take care, I'll see you then. Bye for now.